Hello, comrades. I am S.K. Gautam, Joint Secretary, All India Bank Employees Association. We greet you, we congratulate you on the glorious occasion of Platinum Jubilee of All India Bank Employees Association. All India Bank Employees Association is a strong, vibrant, democratic, and largest trade union in the banking industry. Comrades, AIBF fought for achieving the service conditions for the bank employees. We achieved it. AIBF fought for the bipartisan and bipartite settlements. We achieved 11 bipartite settlements. That is important. But most important is that we fought for nationalization of banks, due to which we could progress in our country. Our country achieved green revolution. Our country achieved white revolution. Our country achieved development in this infrastructure. This is important. Comrades, All India Bank Employees Association has taken always the issues of common people, issues of mainstream of working class on the forefront. When we fought for the pension of bank employees, we achieved it. This is important. But when we fought against the policies of this government in the name of so-called banking reforms for the privatization of the banking industry, comrades, that is most important. We are proud that we have taken more than 50 strike actions, not for the economic benefit of the employees, but for the people of this country, against anti-people policies of this government. This is a matter of proud for all of us. In isolation, we cannot achieve. Without the common people, mainstream of working class, we cannot achieve all these things. That is possible when we identify ourselves, when we synchronize with the common struggles of the people, struggles of the working class. Comrades, we are proud. We are synchronizing all our struggles with the working class of all sectors through All India Trade Union Congress. We are proud that we are part of World Federation of Trade Unions, which is there in more than 125 countries throughout the world. And when we just unite, we can make it possible to achieve our goals. Comrades, this is the time. We cannot think to move alone. We cannot think without this mainstream of working class. Comrades, we should never drift from the mainstream of working class. That is our idea, that is our vision, that is our message to all of you. Comrades, once again, I congratulate you on behalf of All India Bank Employees Association. Definitely, this is the time to unite and fight. Thank you, comrades.